Come with me to the Sonos Flagship Store here in Singapore. Wait, no doors? That's because you're welcome to walk right in. First up, the Launchpad. It's built to inspire and captivate customers with the newest launches and seasonal campaigns. And walk over a little more and you'll see our Sonos educational wall. From our portables, to our all-in-one speakers, to full home theater, and even our architectural speakers, it's all laid out for you. Bring in your floor plan and we'll help map out your ideal speaker setup. And if you're into smart living, we've also partnered with Lutron, so your sound and lighting can work seamlessly together. Third stop, the multi-room zone. It depicts a typical Singaporean home. You've got the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, and a balcony. Here, you can see how you can play different music in each room or have one song fill the whole house. Now onto our personal listening room. It's built to the size of a common Singaporean living room. Oh, hi Ruben!
Hey Min!
Can you show me Sonos?
Of course, come in, take a seat.
Beyond demos, we host workshops here too. Sonos enthusiast and YouTuber Peter P has also run activations in this space where Sonos fans and curious first-timers came together. So from inspiring to educating to experiencing it for yourself, this space really feels like home. And after walking through it all, I think I'm sold.